Before you install the 5800 C2W, prepare the existing panel as follows. Disconnect the power transformer and disconnect the leads to the battery. If this battery is rated 12 volts, 4 amp hours, and in good condition, you can use it with the 5800 C2W. Make note of the length of the power supply wire that goes to the panel. You will need this length for the 5800 C2W transformer. Identify, remove, and label the wires coming from each hardwired sensor. In this example, we have a door sensor, window sensor, and motion sensor. Inside the 5800 C2W box, you should have the following: installation manual, power supply, top cover, tape, screws, resistors and tamper magnet, and the convert to wireless module. Take the tamper magnet and attach to the top cover of the 5800 C2W as shown. Connect the 2-wire power cable you removed earlier or a new cable of same length to the transformer, noting polarity. Do not plug in the transformer at this point. Connect the other end of the wire power cable to the first 2 terminals of the 5800 C2W module as shown. You may need to open a knockout hole on the side of the panel to allow the battery wires to run through to the 5800 C2W. Attach the 5800 C2W to the wall, close enough to the panel to run the battery wires. Attach the wires from the first sensor. In this example, the wire labeled door to the Z1 terminal and shared ground terminals as shown. Attach the wires from the second sensor. In this example, the wire labeled window to the shared ground and Z2 terminal as shown. Attach the wires from the third sensor. In this example, the wires labeled motion. Attach sensor wires to Z3 and shared ground as shown. In this case, we also have 2 additional wires for device power. Run the red power wire from this motion sensor to the 12-volt auxiliary terminal of the 5800 C2W. Run the black wire to the ground terminal as shown. Plug in the 5800 C2W power transformer. Run the battery wires from the 5800 C2W to the panel through the knockout hole. Attach the wires to the battery, noting polarity. LEDs should light up on the 5800 C2W. Press the calibration button. The top LED should momentarily flash red. Before placing the cover, be sure the tamper magnet is installed. Place the cover on the 5800 C2W.